Another revenue source to government apart from taxation is prices of goods and services rendered by government to its citizens. Well, all the modern governments provide a lot of goods and services to its citizens at a price. Price is the payment made by a citizens to render goods and services offered by government. Example, train charges or postal charges or paid ration at ration stores. So buying wheat, pulses at ration store at a very minimal pricing. But all those payments, that train tariffs or postal charges or ration charges, all those charges are revenue to the government. If these goods and services are sold by private individuals, then there are likely chances that there can be a financial exploitation of citizens, since private individuals have a basic motive of profit making. Hence, in order to avoid exploitation, governments sell these kind of goods and services in order to avoid exploitation. But in that process, that whatever is the price the government is getting against those goods and services, it's government's non-tax revenue in the form of postal charges, education charges, transportation charges, railway services, and so on and so forth. In nutshell summary, well, modern governments provide lot of goods and services at a price to their citizens. Price of goods and services means those goods and services are charged. So against those goods and services, the citizens pay some amount. This amount is basically revenue to the government. Example, train tariffs paid by the citizens to use train services. Postal charges paid by person to avail postal communication. Similarly, buying of ration at ration store at a minimal price. But again, that small amount is also government's revenue. So what do government get? Even though this revenue is not charged for profit making, but yes, government get substantial amount of money by charging a price to the goods and services offered by government to its citizens.